Mr. Speaker, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. And I rise on point order number 101(4). No senator shall impute improper motive to any other senator or to a member of the National Assembly except upon specific substantive motion of which at least 3 days notice shall be given, calling in question the conduct of this senator or member of the Assembly. Well, Mr. Speaker, as I talk about that point of order, Mr. Speaker, let me first of all extend my most sincerest gratitude to you for your empathy beyond sympathy that you have accorded me in this last week that has been excruciating in the hospital. And other senators who have also been very supportive. I know Senator Cheriot was just joking, but he's my captain in soccer and he has been very supportive during my time of surgery. I actually left the hospital this afternoon, Mr. Speaker, and on very strong painkillers to go through this process. And it's very disappointing to hear the Senator of Kiambu imputing that the minority side, the senators on the minority side, are the one who have brought this case to this house. That the senators from the minority side are the ones who have come to the floor to prosecute the deputy governor of Siaya. I have been following this entire process, and I have actually been very keen not to even call members of the committee to check on them because of the honor and dignity that we give this house.